Have you ever dreamed of traveling the world and staying in the most luxurious hotel for free, but you're not a travel influencer or blogger? What if I told you there are jobs that let you not only travel for free, but get paid for it? My name is Irina, you're on a Just Stream Ginger channel, and today we are talking about the coolest career that lets you travel the world while getting paid for it. And guess what? They are not just wild dreams. Thousands of people already living this lifestyle, and I'll break down exactly what you need to do to join them. If you're ready, fasten your seatbelt, because we are flying right into it. First up, pilot. Obviously one of the most obvious choices, but still super cool because it gets one of the best travel perks. Layovers in Tokyo and Paris become the norm, and major airlines usually put pilots in the top-rated hotels, with transportation and meals covered. Plus, pilots make fantastic salaries, especially when they have a few years under their belt, and do have amazing perks like discounted tickets for business and first class for them and their family. It's like getting a mini vacation as a part of your job. To become a pilot, you need to go through some pretty intensive training. It starts with your private pilot license, then commercial pilot license, then airline transport pilot license, and a type rating for a specific aircraft. It takes hundreds of flight hours, ton of exams, and a kidney to pay for it. Alright, the part with the kidney was a joke, but it's an extremely expensive. And I'm saying it from my own experience because my husband is currently doing his pilot training and it's a black hole of our budget. So please don't forget to like this video because it will promote it and we will manage to pay for food this month. I'm a supportive wife. One day I'll be paid back with a Birkin and a first class ticket. Alright, jokes aside, it's an amazing job with an amazing perks, but you need to make sure that you like what you're doing because training is extremely expensive and some people join this job only because of the salary and then they're not really happy and they don't want to fly. So just go take some lessons for the private lessons to understand if you like this job, and then if you do, of course, proceed with your career. Many people take a loan to study, do their pilot license trainings because it's really expensive. I'm not gonna lie. Next up, flight attendant. This job is ideal for travel lovers who don't want to go through that intensive training of pilots and don't want to spend a fortune for the pilot training. As a flight attendant, you get free hotel stays, crew shuttle, and time off to explore different destinations. You also fly for free with perks that often include discounts or free flights for your family. It's like being on constant adventure. If you want to become a flight attendant, majority of the airlines ask you just for the high school diploma, and some of them prefer candidates with experience in customer-related areas. There are also other requirements for this job, but you need to search it specifically by the airlines you'd like to work for. After you've been hired, airlines provide you with a training free of charge that includes everything: your type rating for the airlines, your first aid training, of course your service training. So everything's covered by the airlines basically. If you're more of a sea lover, working as a cruise ship crew might be a perfect option for you. Imagine waking up to a new port every day, whether it's Caribbean, Europe, or South Pacific. Cruise lines usually cover your meals and accommodation on board, and sometimes even pay you for a flight to get to and from the ship. Plus, you'll have time off in beautiful places, taking it a truly unique way to travel. For this job, you will need a background that matches the role you're applying for, like hospitality, entertaining, or customer service. Cruise lines are also providing the training, which cover everything including safety and emergency procedures. Contracts are usually start with a 6-month contract, but they can be extended if company want it and you want it. So that's also a really nice opportunity to travel the world and you don't need a fortune to study before get this job. And here is a hidden gem, the secret shopper for travel experiences. Company actually pay you to stay at hotels, fly on airlines, or test day tours, and report back on the experience. Perks usually include free stays, meals, and sometimes even flights. It's a flexible gig that lets you explore without spending your own money. To land this job, you will need to have a great observation skills and an experience in the related area for the role you're applying for the company you want to be a secret customer. I won't be lying, it's super difficult to find the companies that are hiring people to be a secret customer, but this job exists. For example, when I work as an Emirates flight attendant, we had sometimes secret customers on board and we were extremely scared of that. Emirates was hiring a specific company who had those secret customers, and they sent them on board to check that we are doing everything by the standards, and if we had any mistakes and secret customers reported them, then we were in a huge troubles because companies sent them tons of emails about our shortfalls. But it's just an example for you to understand that this job is a real job and some people have it, and you have a chance to work as a secret customer as well. For those of you who want to travel and make a difference, work as an international aid worker is the best option. You will work in various countries, often in remote or underserved areas, to help with projects like education and healthcare. Most companies cover your travel and accommodation. Plus, you'll get to experience part of the world most travelers never see. To get into this field, degree or experience in social work, education, or healthcare is usually needed. Volunteering can help you to get an experience for the paid roles. But be prepared for some challenging environments, but if you like helping others, this job is ideal for you. If you want to travel with a professional twist, think about consulting. International consultants often work with big companies traveling worldwide for projects in finance, tech, or engineering. The perks? Business class flight, top-notch hotel, and some pretty impressive destination, all while building your resume. Most consulting roles at least need a degree in the area like business, finance, or a specific industry. Most start at a junior consultants or business analysis to gain an experience. The companies like Deloitte are always hiring, so with the right background, you can land your dream as an international consultant. And last but not least, if you are a creative person, you can become a photographer or videographer for international projects. Imagine getting paid to capture beautiful location or events worldwide. Hotels, sometimes even meals are covered, and you will have amazing background for your work. Plus, every project is different, so it's a constant adventure. To get started, build a strong portfolio with different shoots like travel, backgrounds, events. Then reach out for travel brands, event companies, or travel companies. You'll need to be flexible and open to last-minute booking because it's not something extraordinary in that field. If you're not the first time on this channel, you must know that I used to work in video production, so I can tell you for sure that it's not something that happen rarely in the area. If there's international projects or shooting, you can be hired for that project as a photographer or videographer. So there you have it, 7 amazing ways to travel the world while getting paid for it. If you like this type of content, don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel because it gives me motivation to do more of such videos. And I believe I see you soon. Bye!